today we're in Jam, and today we're gonna open one of the Popmart things. Let's open this one first. Let's open it. Gosh. And oh, there's a box. That's opening the box. Wait, it's easy. I think he's gonna get the blue one. One of the blue ones. This one or this one. He's good. Green leaf? I think it's this one. I think it's this one. This is good. Yeah, that looks good. It's like a cool thingy. Okay, let's put this guy on to action. Let's open this thing.
너 뭐 고른 거야 여기서?
뭐야?
봐봐.
He got the bamboo one.
밤부?
He's like this. He has like this code between this. And let's open my one. What do you get? You're gonna get a fat one. Maybe you're gonna get the blue one. You're gonna get the 5 one. Maybe the same thing. Maybe. Ooh, this thing. Let's see what it is. What it is? It's this one. What? Sound in these burner. This thing. Okay, just check. Open it up. Let's put on his hat. Oopsies. Okay, let's open.